Welcome to my channel Infinite Ignition. In last lecture we were discuss about DDA algorithm for line generation. So today in this video we will discuss about Bresenhms line generation algorithm. How we find out the floating points between two start point and end points. What is the procedure and what are the formulas used for to find the line generation algorithm with the help of Bresenhms technique. So let's start. Here are one example, and we already given here the A point and B point, that is start point and end point, and the value of A is 20 and 10, and the value of B means end point is 30 and 18. So this is our given. Now we will go for the decision parameter. So there is one standard formula for decision parameter, and 2 delta y minus delta x. Basically pk is denoted for decision parameter, also p naught also denoted for decision parameter, and that is the formula for finding out decision parameter means pk. So the value of delta x is equal to x2 minus x1, and the formula for the delta y is equal to y2 minus y1. That is the standard formula. So with the help of this formula we will get the answer of delta x. Here we can see x2 is equal to, x2 is here 30 minus x1 is 20. 30 minus 20 will become 10, and y2 minus y1 become 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. That is the value of our delta x and delta y. We can put these values for this pk equation. 2 into delta y is equal to 10. 2 into 8 minus delta x. What is the value for delta x? 10. Then 2 into 8, 16 minus 10, we will get 6. That is the value of pk. Okay, then we have two conditions for finding out a Bresenhms line generation equation. The first one case 1 and the second is case 2. Here the formula is, if the pk is greater than 0, then we will take this formula for finding out pk plus 1. Okay, that is become pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. That is the formula for case 1, and the similar for case 2, the formula is pk plus 2 delta y. Okay, that is only difference between these two formulas. Also the finding out the x next and y next, in case 1 x next become x1 plus 1 and y next become y1 plus 1. So in case 2, similar, x1 become x1 plus 1, but y1 is taken as y1. We don't want to add here plus 1. Okay, that is the two case for finding out the pk value or x next value, y next value. So in our example we will get the 6 value for the pk. So 6 is the greater than 0. Then we will take the condition first, case 1. Okay, let's see. With the help of this case 1 and the case 2, we will find out the pk, x next and y next. Okay, so before that we know delta is equal to 8, sorry, delta x is equal to 10 and delta y is equal to 8. And here in this formula we are using 2 delta y and 2 delta x. So we have to find here 2 delta x and 2 delta y. Delta x is equal to 10, then 2 delta x become 20. Delta y is 8, then 2 delta y become 16. So draw here one table, pk, xn and yn. So we already know about 6 is greater than 0. So that is the case 1, and in that case 1, x next is equal to x1 plus 1. So we know the x1 value. X1 value is 20 plus 1 will become 21. Similar for yn, we know the y1 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, next iteration is, if the value of 6 is greater than 1, then 0. Sorry, we will take this formula pk plus 1, pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. So pk is 6 plus 2 delta y, 2 delta y is equal to 16 plus 16 and minus 2 delta x. You can see here 2 delta x, the value of 2 delta x is equal to 20. Then we will get two answer here. So same 2 is greater than 0, then we will take this formula 21 plus 1 22, 11 plus 1 12. Okay, that is the second iteration. So we will go for third iteration here. What is the third iteration? 2 plus 16 minus 20. Similar, with the help of this formula we will get minus 2 here. Okay, if our 2 is less than 0, our value is less than 0, then we will take x next and y next here. So what is the value for x next? x1 plus 1, 23 plus 1, 24, and yn is equal to y1. Here we have to take 12 as it is. You can see here we have taken 12 as it is. We don't want to add here plus 1. Okay, we have taken 12 as it is because of our value of pk is less than 0. So for fourth iteration, with the pk, the formula become, with the help of this formula, pk minus 2 plus 16. Okay, 2 plus 16 means 2 delta y. We will get 14, which is greater than 0, then 24 and 13. Okay, same, the fifth iteration is 14 plus 16 minus 20 is equal to 10, which is greater than 0. Then we will add 1 here, 25, 14. Same, the pk plus 16 minus 20, we will get 6 value, which is greater than 0, then 26, 15. Similar, 6 plus 16 minus 20 is equal to 2. Once again we will get the value of 2, which is greater than 0, then we will add here 1 and 1. So 2 plus 16 minus 20, now our answer is minus 2, which is less than 0. Then we will take here, we will add only 1 in x next, and we will take as it is y next here. Okay, similar for last iteration, minus 2 plus 16, we will get 14, which is greater than 0. Then we will add here 29 and 17. The last iteration is 14 plus 16 minus 20 is equal to 10, and we will get the value of 30 and 18. These points are our end points in line generation. So we will stop here, and this is all about Bresenhms line generation algorithm. Thank you.